Hello guys, welcome here again. Today I will be showing you how you can participate in the simple tap airdrop and farm simple tap. This might just be the next NOTCOIN. NOTCOIN was listed yesterday on 3 exchanger and is already trading. A lot of people are making money from it, and this might just be the next NOTCOIN. So without further ado, let's dive into details of this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojio Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn airdrop. So if you are interested in making money online, we are right here at simple tap. A lot of people have been engaging with this airdrop. Just like I said, this might just be the next NOT token again. So simple step, I'll be dropping the link down the description of this video and also on the Telegram channel. So all you just need to do is to go ahead and click. When you click on the link, it will take you to this place. So you just click start, and when you click start, it welcomes you. Hello Ojio, this is a simple tap, your reliable app for keeping and using your currency all at your fingertip. We are excited to introduce our new Telegram mini app. Start earning and saving our visual coin now, and soon you will find out all the great things you can get from this. Have friends, invite them. The more the merrier. Remember, Simple is a place where managing cryptocurrency is super easy, offering bundles investment opportunity. So we click start now. To launch this web app, you will connect with a website. Okay, click start. We are right here. When we click the first start, it brought us here. All we just need to do is to input your email address right here. After you've done that, you click continue. Voila, you are right here. So you click start farming, and as you can see, I've started farming simple token right here, there and there. So I think after every 8 hours I will have to come back here and farm again after 8 hours. And are they promising to give us 100 taps? Okay, I think I have 100 taps, or I don't know. So I have 100 taps here, and after 8 hours I will come back here to click to farm. You can always put a reminder if 12 tags that is available for you to get 100. First of all, join our Telegram channel. So we go ahead and click join. We click join. Then I think we'll return back. We'll join the Telegram channel. Then go back here. Click check. They're checking. I think that is done. Join the CEO join the invite 1 friend, invite 5 friends, invite 10 friends, invite okay, and so on and so okay. So I think the other tags are here: 1 2 3 4 5 tags plus this 1 tag. That's 6 tags. That is it for tags. Then we have here boost, it's coming soon. Invite friends and reward. How it works: share your referral link, spread simple tap, your friend join simple tap, earn 10% from your friends. Okay, plus an additional 2 points from their friends. Okay, you click invite, we copy the link copied, successful. So that is that. So guys, I have over 600 simple token for doing those tasks you saw me doing. I have over 600 simple token. So that is it, guys. Let's quickly move on. Remember, this is currently mining, and in the next 8 hours we'll come back here to claim our simple. So that's it, guys. That will be all for this airdrop. I guess when you just simply click start and you go on to mine your simple coin. That is that. So I have over 600 already. So that's it. Goodbye.